Oh, hey, hi. I completely forgot my camera was rolling. Oh, well, if the camera's rolling, then that means there's something for me to be doing other than messing around with my vehicle. Okay, let's get this out of here and see what it is that we have to do today. Okay. Okay, so it says today on my axial honcho, we got to put some oil in the shocks. Let's get this out of the way. This is the patient today. As you can see, I got my little boat-sided slides on it. I took these rails off and put them inside of here. I put on my own little bumper mount thing. Got my nice wheel rims and stuff. These are the shocks that we're going to be taking off today and installing these same exact ones. Just what we're going to do is fill them with some oil. Let's get to it. So I'm going to have the car over here. Oh yeah, by the way, I will put a link in the description below. This is a soldering / computer parts repair area. As you can see, it has a circuit board locator and all the screw locators on it. It is by iParts. It has like 3 magnetic areas. It has these nice flaps, which can be nice. I'll put a description in that below. It's on Amazon. And I also, this is an old case. I also got this computer repair kit, which has the parts I need in here, which it has like a whole ton of stuff, but it has these nice bits and the screwdrivers on the other side. So I'm going to be using that today. You may also need some electrical pliers and stuff. This is an old craftsman kit. Also got some other tools here. I'm going to put my Allen wrenches over here just in case I need them. I've just got some regular needle nose, some scissors just in case, a craft knife, little screwdriver, another screwdriver with a hex head on it, another just regular screwdriver. So you're going to put those in there. I'm going to start by taking off stuff. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm going to put a link in the description below for the toolkit. It is sold by Unamela on Amazon. You can see their email right there by my middle finger. Okay, so for this you're going to need a little eyedropper thing for the oil. You're also going to need the oil, just in here. I got some 30 weight from Factory Team, made by Lucas Oil. I was surprised when they saw that Lucas Oil made some made some stuff for it, but they are an oil company also. And we also got some 60 weight oil right here, also made by Lucas Oil, and we got an old thing of 30 weight. So we're not going to use this new 30 weight until we finish this old 30 weight. Unless there is a difference, which there might be. One might be dirtier than the other. We'll see. One sure does not have the cap on it. the safety cap. I don't know. And if you know what oil that this type of oil is, let me know. I was thinking it might be like, oh, it's silica. That explained the feeling of it. But man, I should have put on some gloves for this. Real easy. I got a parts tray back here, so I'm just going to grab out the big bits and dump them there. So let's skip ahead to the action part. Okay, so this I'm going to put the old shock fluid in. I'm not sure if there's any in the car, but we'll see. So we're going to start by, I'm also having some body posts arriving in the mail since my stock one broke, so. Okay, let's figure out which size this is. This might actually be the right size. Okay, I'm going to need my big kit. Got this from Harbor Freight, this Pittsburgh set. It has standard and metric.
Okay, so now all we have to do is we have to take the shock, okay, so now all we have to do is we have to take the string off of the shock. And sometimes your head will start coming off if your shock ain't staying together well enough. All you'll have to do is grab this and screw it on. Okay, now let me get some pliers and screw it together. So now that I got the pliers out, we're going to take the shock piston, start screwing it. There. That should be tight enough. So you don't want to scratch up your the body, you don't want to scratch up your Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to unscrew the top of your shock off, okay? So we want to get this over here. We want to get a tray for old fluid. Sometimes you'll need it's on there real tight. You'll need some pliers to unscrew it, which you'll only need that because you have it. Oh, that stinks. So I got nothing in here right now. That means I'm running the shocks dry, which is not good. You never want your shocks to run dry, because that will, over time, ruin your shocks. So, we want these off, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to take your shock body, take oil you're going to use, which I'm going to use some 30-weight oil. I'm going to take your oil, and fill it to the top. And you're going to take your cap of your shock, screw it back on, nice and tight. If aluminum, do not do it too tight, otherwise they will strip out. Then what you're going to want to do is take this and fill your piggyback reservoir, which means you want something to hold your shock up. I am going to use I don't know what to use to hold this up. This I can. I'm going to use this we have circuit boards. Skateboard thing to hold it up. I'm going to take my 30-weight oil, fill this to the top. Just a little tip from me, I'd rather fill it too much than too little, so then you guys put a lot more in. Then what you want to do, people, YouTubers, whatever you want to call, so I take your pliers and sweep back, move on. Real nice. That feels real nice, but what you want to do is you want to take your heater. Pull the heater valve out. So if you can hear that in there, that's when you're going to want your little syringe. Fill it with some oil. We're going to tip this over and let go, and we'll start filling with more oil. Might be real slow, but it will work. What you want to do is tip this upright. The fluids exchange places. I'm doing it like this, and I hold it up to that, and pull it sets in the fluid. Pull out it. Set in the fluid. Maybe sort of messy, but it works. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this. Like that on. There you go. I'm going to take a rag. Wipe it down. You can actually use that oil, use it to oil your chalk. So then dirt may stick to it, but as long as you then wipe off the excess oil, which is all over your hands, you can just use something to wipe off excess oil, including both of my hands, so you don't want too much oil on your hands. But make sure to wash your vehicle afterwards and try to oil it as often as possible to prevent rust. My screws always rust, because I never take care of them, which is unfortunate. And we got one charcoal done. Now all we gotta do, put the spray on it. First what I'm going to do is take, since I have these so low, I need to actually take them and put them down low. What's funny is this is silicone shark fluid, and guess what else is silicone? It's Max. So never noticed that until now. It doesn't sound right here. Sounds like it's grinding. Before I go any further, let's open up this one right here and see if there's like dirt or something in it. So if there's dirt in this one, then that means I need to open that one up. I'm just going to I know, I'm not going to cut it. I was going to say cut to the next part, cut. No need to. Because now I'm interested in finding out, did I do the wrong thing? I might have completely messed up that shot. Okay, that's here. So these shots only have one hole in them. Yeah. Only they have one hole. Well, if I ever get new parts, I'm just going to get new ones of those with holes. And then I'll bring you out and we'll see how they work. I'll do a test run for you. And tell me in the comments below what shots do you have. And give me any ideas on what else are good shots, because if these shots are great, I'm going to use new ones, so I'm going to give me an idea. This is actually really thick. I should have about 15 minutes. This one, but maybe it's like all of these. All the ones that were real slowly done. Look. Okay, well, now that we did this one, I'm going to do the rest of them, and then I'll show them something, and then we'll head on to the testing the shots. Okay, so
We're done with the shocks. We're going to go over and test it on my mountain. So let's get to it.